Well, hello, I'm Tamara with Wyoming Dutch Oven Cooking. I'm glad you're joining us today. We're doing a wonderful, fun dessert. This is a dessert that my mother used to make years ago, and I've got her recipe here. And it's a beautiful spring, summer day, and we went out this morning and harvested some of our rhubarb and strawberries. And what I've done, there's about 4 cups of chopped rhubarb and probably about good-sized strawberries, probably about 8 strawberries that we sliced thinly. I've got them all ready here. And what I'm going to do is I have 1 cup of sugar and a half a cup of flour that I'm going to mix in here with my fruit. It's just better to mix this all together and then put it in your prepared Dutch oven, which we've got this all prepared. It is well oiled and seasoned. I'm just going to toss this. Yep, Mom used to make this every spring. We'd go out and pick rhubarb. It's been a real wet spring, so we have tons of rhubarb going on. And then it's got a topping that I've already prepared ahead of time. Yeah, you want to get this well mixed together. We hope everybody's having a wonderful day today. We certainly are. Of course, with a dessert like this, we are going to have to invite family and friends over later. That's what it's all about. Sharing, especially calories. Okay, now I'm going to put this into my Dutch oven. And when we take this out to cook it, we want to do the heat not real high on the bottom, because with the sugar, it will have a tendency to stick, and you don't want that to happen or burn. So it's not going to have as much heat on the bottom. More on top. Okay, so that's all mixed up good. And what I have here for my topping is 1 cup of oatmeal, a half a cup of brown sugar, half a cup of white sugar, a cup of chopped walnuts, a teaspoon of cinnamon, and a half a cup of butter. And you blend that all together, as you can see. We're going to sprinkle this on top. Just put it on here evenly. There you go. Boy, is this going to be yummy. My goodness. Of course, got to have vanilla bean ice cream on top. All right, we'll see you outside here, and we'll get this starting to cook. And we want it cooked for about an hour because it takes a little bit longer with the rhubarb. That's why I said you need to make sure to not have the temperature real hot. Okay. And remember to please subscribe, hit the like button, give us some feedback. We love comments. So thank you. Okay, we're out here and we've got our Strawberry-Rhubarb Crisp going. And what we've done is we put it on a little bit higher hook to cook it a little bit slower on the bottom, but I have a fair amount of coals on top because you want the top to be browning and cook slow on the bottom and get that fruit cooking. And we're going to cook this probably for about 45 minutes, and then I'll check on it, and if it needs to cook a little bit longer, then we'll just cook it a little bit longer. But we got the timer going, and we'll see you in a little bit. Well, our Strawberry-Rhubarb Crisp got done, and it looks absolutely fabulous. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it up here. Oh my. Of course, I'm going to have to invite the neighbors and friends and family to join us. And I'm thinking of my mother right now. She'd say, yes, Tammy, this is what springtime is all about. Fresh rhubarb and strawberries. And of course, we're going to put our favorite ice cream on it, Tillamook French Vanilla Bean. We hope everybody enjoys this with us today. It's pretty frozen here, but I'm getting it. And please subscribe, push the like button, give us feedback. We love to hear comments. We hope everybody enjoyed this with us today. We'll be looking forward to more wonderful dessert recipes with you. Please enjoy. Thank you. We'll see you again next time.